How was the border? Seemed like it was kind of fun.
But it'll help if you just sing along.
What the fuck is up, you buttercup? Park in that butt, smoke.
Look at you, dickheads! Look at this, dickhead!
A little nippy? Okay.
So, Mr. Weekday, where are we going? Hey, you guys, where are we going?
Ass cream.
Ice cream?
Ass cream.
Ice cream?
Ass cream.
Hey, I wonder
Ice
if somebody
cream.
noticed.
Hi. Huh. That's cute.
Remember when people used to do that?
Yeah, remember that was a thing? Blackie. You're not John Cena.
Hate this damn library.
Why you hate the library?
Hate people.
We're in a place with some air conditioning, you know what I'm saying? You know.
How a normal 4. I've seen this already.
I support it. Guess what? Deal with it. And guess what, they're calm. Suck my nose. Happened, Rockwell?
I'm not explaining this.
Swallow the bug.
You swallowed a bug?
Swallow the bug.
It was a squirming in your mouth?
Not good.
Hit that. Hit that right there.
Squirming down his throat right there.
You violating your esophagus? You deep throating, huh? Come on, come on.
Wait, what do you want me to do?
Travel all the way over there.
Like, off the ground?
Off the ground.
I like how you put your shirt up to think, so everybody think you're strong and shit.
No, I'm trying to get my
Twirl it. Get it. Purple. When you low key look like a mixture of Childish Gambino and The Weeknd.
Hell yeah.
Get it.
Yeah, I did it.
Get it. Oh, okay. What kind of shit is this? What are we doing today? What? How's the border?
It's good. You can see, like, they make you do roofing over there too, so. And window work.
You're sporting all 15 of your kids?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No! No! No!
Arm cables. Stop. Miguel is bullying me. Fuck off.
If you don't get out that tree.
It's all mowing the lawn.
Going on?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Look at it!
Come back here!
So we're playing Left 4 Dead with Gizmo over here.
No.
And what?
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
What? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Left 4 Dead.
Can't even see nothing.
Well, you can see the fireworks. Light.
Oh shit!
Hey, is this the finale?
Oh shit!
Is this the finale?
Yes! Yup! Oh shit!
Hey!
What?
Hey, I like bitch, you was your mess. Hey, can't keep my dick in my pants.